Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing documents and permissions so the app can verify you quickly. Open Google Pay, complete KYC, and link the bank account you use for salary or bills. This creates a transaction history lenders trust. Once done, grant SMS and call access so automatic OTP and soft checks work. Next, select the loan or credit tab in the app and let Google fetch pre-approved offers. This reveals lenders willing to consider you without a Cibil score. Now complete the middle steps. Choose an NBFC offer based on interest, fees, and tenure. Don't pick solely on amount. Provide bank statements showing regular inflows and upload income proof. This substitutes for a Cibil score by proving cash flow. Consent to soft credit and alternate data checks like bill payments or wallet history. Lenders use that to assess risk. Finally, set up an ENAC or UPI auto pay mandate so repayments are automated and improve approval odds over time. Finish by reviewing and accepting the loan offer. Read interest, processing fees, EMI dates, and prepayment rules so there are no surprises. Sign the agreement electronically inside Google Pay and confirm the disbursement account. Funds typically land in 24 to 48 hours. If your request is declined, don't panic. Verify your bank statement shows steady deposits, ensure KYC passed, try a smaller amount or a credit builder product, and contact the NBFC or Google Pay support to request specific reasons and next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.